Hi there, Jag here, your Office 365 daily vlogger. In the last two vlogs, we looked at two tips on how to improve your productivity using OneDrive for Business. So in tip 3, I wanted to bring to you the mobile app for OneDrive for Business. Mobile app for OneDrive for Business not just gives you the ability to access your files on the cloud, on your mobile device itself. Rather, it actually gives you the ability to scan your files into OneDrive for Business. Essentially, if you got the app installed, you're essentially walking with a mobile scanner in your pocket. Okay, so let me jump on and let me show you how it actually works. So here we are on the app, and you can actually see I've got my files here, but right in the middle at the bottom, you can actually see there's actually I think it's called the aperture icon for a camera, right? If you open that, you can actually see that it actually brings up the camera, and you can pretty much scan, for example, you could scan documents, whiteboards, business cards, and photos. Okay, in this example, let's I've got a whiteboard here, and let's scan the whiteboard. Okay, it even recognizes the actual the edge of the whiteboard as well. So let's go ahead and just take a photo, and then it actually scans the whiteboard scribbling itself. So it's quite handy for you if you're in a meeting and you wanted to capture the whiteboard, and straight away it's uploaded into your OneDrive for Business application. Okay, that's just not it. You could actually also use this to even search for, let's say you scan a business card and you've got a few business cards scanned into your cloud storage, and you could even go and use this mobile app to actually go search for the written text inside the scanned photo as well. So essentially what you're doing is you're pretty much OCRing the scan right in your mobile app itself. It's quite powerful. As you can see, I've just searched for Brian, and there is a business card with Brian Johnson on it, so it actually brings up that straight away in your mobile app. So if you're a salesman and you get a lot of business cards, or if you do a lot of whiteboarding, and you want to capture those whiteboard sessions, this is a great tip. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Cheers. Bye.